I'd like to take a couple minutes to show you some of the new features we've added to our Pro templates over at Flixpress.com. Before we get started with new features, you may have already noticed that the icons on the left are a little bit larger so you can see more clearly what layout you're choosing. The first exciting new feature we'd like to talk about, though, starts up here in the image pane. As always, you'll find your uploaded images here, but to the right of the image pane, you'll find a new plus button. Clicking on it gives you access to our all-new stock image library. So find an image you like, drag it to the right, and then click Select, and now you can use that stock image just as you would any of your custom uploaded images. Now you may realize at this point you don't need one of your images, so you can just drag it over to the right-hand side of the screen and drop it in the trash can. The next feature we'd like to tell you about is dynamic fields for 3D objects and video effects. So what does that mean? Well, let me show you. Now this works with either 3D objects or video effects, so I will show you using video effects. In the past, these options fields never changed. Now they will dynamically update based on the video effect you choose. So I will real quick choose a video effect, and you'll see that now all I have to worry about is a subtitle. I'll show you a couple more quick examples using video effects. Again, I'll choose another video effect, and now I've got main title and subtitle, which correspond to the top and bottom lines in this effect. I'd like to show you one more example with video effects that really illustrates the power of these dynamic fields. Not only can we put more intuitive labels on simple things like text fields, but now we can bring the power of things like color swatches into video effects and 3D objects. So if I click this first swatch and choose a nice red color, and click this swatch and choose a nice blue color, I've approximated the look of this thumbnail without having to know a thing about RGB values or do any copying and pasting. Just point and click. And like I said before, this works with 3D objects as well as video effects, which I just illustrated. We've also improved the way that altering a slide's duration works so that you can't accidentally make a slide too short or too long for a given layout. You'll see that this layout must be 6 seconds long, so I can no longer change that value and ultimately create an undesirable rendering. So if you'd like to take advantage of the new features of our Pro templates, head over to Flixpress.com and start customizing. If you aren't seeing the new features, you may need to clear your browser's cache. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating amazing video online with Flixpress.